Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the top gear of a NutriBullet. These break quite often, so you can get a cheap replacement on Amazon for a few pounds, and you just need a few tools to replace them. So here obviously I've got a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of mole grips. Now at the bottom here there is a screw at the bottom. You see the flat hole in the middle of the base there. You can put a screwdriver directly through there, but I found it was easier just to undo these 4 screws, take the bottom plate off, and then you can get more grip onto the screw at the bottom, because I have heard they do round if you try and, or if you don't get a good sort of purchase on the screw, you can round the head, and then you'll need mole grips on both ends if that happens. So yeah, you can see I'm undoing the screws here at the base. Just 4 screws, quickly ping them out, and then pull off the bottom base. Once you've got the screws out, you can just pull out the base like this. It feels a bit stiff, but it's actually easy enough to pull out. Like so. And there you'll see the screw in the bottom. That's the screw just there that you need to put the flat blade on. And here I put the mole grips on. Yeah, you don't want to squeeze the mole grips too tight onto that that little sort of bolt there, because if you do, you could end up squeezing it tighter onto the actual shaft itself. So just put it on a tight enough grip to get purchased, but not too tight to sort of squish it. And then yeah, this is why I took the base off, so I get the flat blade right on there, and I didn't actually turn the mole grip, so I ended up just turning the flat blade screwdriver. So you'll see that it just cracked off, not too much pressure. Wound it all the way off, and then and here I just take the new gear. All you do there is just wind it on. I forgot to mention, it's clockwise to wind it off and anti-clockwise to wind it on. You'll see here I struggled a bit just to get that back on, but eventually made it. Got it turning, finger tight. Hold it with the fingers on one side, and then just literally just tighten it up with your flat blade. Again, anti-clockwise, you want to turn that. I didn't have to do it too hard. I managed to just hold it enough on one side until it was tight enough with the screwdriver. I was happy, and the way it spins anyway, it will only ever tighten itself. It will never come undone. Obviously spinning clockwise with the anti-clockwise thread. So okay, now this was a fiddly bit. I really did struggle to get this back on, and you'll see this in the video. I'm not even going to edit it out. I'll just let you see how much I struggled. But you'll get this bit. It's not too bad. You just need to, when I finally got it, at the end I actually just managed to get my fingers in and push each bit in. It's almost like slightly too big for the hole it goes into. So that was the reason I struggled. But you'll see if you see when I finally get it. I just used the fingers to push it, poke it down, prod it, and then it just pops back in. It would have saved me a minute probably in the fixing time if I didn't have so much trouble with this bit. And here we go. This is finally the moment I get the base back on. Quickly pop the screws in. At this point I lost a bit of time. I was actually trying to just do it to see how fast I could do it. But obviously I lost a lot of time, so you see me fiddling about now trying to get the screws back in. A couple of minutes later, all the screws, or 20 seconds later, all the screws are back in. screwed up, and yeah, ready to go. Just plugged it into the wall and turned it on, put a lid on, and it was good as new. Okay guys, well thanks for watching the video, and like and subscribe if you want more, and I'll keep putting some more of these up just for everything I end up fixing, and random cooking bits and other bits and bobs that I put up. Right, thank you, bye bye.